Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, and welcome to another video of Diamond Trader. My name is Daniel, and today, guys, we're looking at Cardano. Okay, ticker symbol ADM, ADA rather. Sorry, ADA. This is a new video, guys. This is a video that I'm doing because I am absolutely new to the crypto world. I haven't invested in cryptocurrency until recently, and I've made my debut the other day. I've taken that step forward, come out of my comfort zone, should I say, and I've talked to you what I mean by that comfort zone, and I've gone and I've invested in Cardano. Now, I've probably said this on one or two occasions before. I've never got into cryptocurrency because I don't know enough about it. And then when it's something that I don't know about, I tend not to invest. Now, things have changed, and I realize that I have to be a bit more diverse and probably take a bit more risk. Okay, a bit more risk. Risk is a word that's quite quite a sensitive word at the moment, based on the situation, based on the circumstances of the stock market. So the stock market on a lot of these small cap, mid cap companies at the moment are suffering, and we're seeing bleeding slowly each and every day. Now, cryptocurrency is no better to say that, right, it's a safe bet, because it still remains a speculative an investment and also a risky investment. So it's whether you want to take that risk or not, and I've decided to do that. Now, probably people are saying, well, if you're going to invest into cryptocurrency, you should be getting into Bitcoin. I agree, it's probably one of the safest or one of the most solid cryptocurrencies. Nevertheless, prices are high at the moment. I know there has been a drop today. There has been a drop, but it's pretty high. So if I did get into Bitcoin, I'm going to wait for this drop. Now, the advantage I have, should I say, or not the ahead of the others. I mean, what I have is I use on a lot of stocks is technical analysis, and I think technical analysis really is the way you can discover or find out whether it's a good point to get into a cryptocurrency or not, or even sell if you hold them for the short term. Now, Cardano in specifically, we're talking about Cardano here. I've looked into it, and this is probably one of the most youngest ones out there, and probably the most solid in terms of future potential. So there are loads of bitcoins, loads of cryptocurrencies out there, but this one is one that's attracted my attention, and the price it's at the moment, I'm gonna I've bought some already, and what I'm doing is I'll probably be buying a little bit more as it drops. Okay, so the whole cryptocurrency market has been dropping today on the 19th of April. So taking advantage of these drops. So I only plan to put a very small amount in. When I talk about a small amount, I'm probably looking around about 2 or 3%, 2 or 3% of my portfolio in this. So yeah. So let's have a look at Cardano. First of all, Cardano is a blockchain platform for change makers and innovators and visionaries, with the tools and technologies required to create possibility for the many as well as few and bring about positive global change. Okay, so if we go in and we can see what is Cardano, it's quite interesting. So we go back and we can go. You can spend quite a lot of time looking into these currencies. A lot again, like I said, I'm learning, guys. I'm not here to tell you anything that you may not already know, and just give you my point of view. But the blockchain platform, in this case Cardano, enables developers to run a wide variety of blockchain apps such as small contracts and dApps. It is less than surprising that the person who helmed the development of Cardano was actually Charles Hoskinson. Okay, so he's actually the formerly co-founded Ethereum. Okay, so appealing, quite promising in that sense. Alongside the blockchain development aspect, Cardano also offers its own crypto ADA, which made it into the top 10 cryptos lists. Okay, so Cardano and Ethereum have similarities and differences. So let's have a look at these differences and these similarities. While similar to Ethereum in many ways, there are many differences between the top two blockchain platforms. blockchain development. Both Ethereum and Cardano enable developers to run blockchain-based applications such as smart contracts and decentralized apps. Okay, so or otherwise known as dApps. Initial coin offerings, another similarity. Both platforms enable users to create their own cryptocurrency and raise funds using an initial coin offering, ICO. However, at the moment, there are significantly more cryptocurrencies built on Ethereum's infrastructure than that of Cardano. Architecture. This is perhaps the biggest difference. Okay, so this is the difference between the two. Cardano has a distinct two-layer structure. One layer, Cardano settlement layer, which is CSL, is for conducting transactions and could be referred to as cryptocurrency layer. The other layer is the Cardano computation layer, or CCL, which runs blockchain apps and could be described as a development layer. In contrast, Ethereum, both layers and intertwines. This means that when it comes to implementing changes or forks, Cardano's blockchain architecture is superior. So, looking at the technical analysis, this is the technical analysis. So yeah, a little bit on what I've plotted out. So I've got the first of all, we have the Fibonacci retracement that's been drawn out from its high to low. That gives an idea of our support and resistance levels. And then we have the RSI 14, okay, which would suggest to me, or as an indicator to me, that it's to see if it's been oversold or overbought, okay. And then we've got the MACD at the bottom, okay. So I'm looking at the crossover on the MACD. So it seems to be quite volatile at the moment. So price could be going anywhere. I mean, if you just have a look at the price we've had in the last couple of days, we've had quite a lot of movement. So here the level, is this a good time to buy in at the moment? From my point of view, from a technical analysis point of view, no. I would wait. I would wait to see if these levels, we could be going back down to $1.13, which would really be a good support line. Whether it goes down any further than that, we don't know, but I don't see it happening. Now have a look, a lot of people are saying by the end of the year, $10. Okay, so if you're paying just over $1, $1.23, well, that's a good return. But even if it gets to $5 at the end of the year, I would consider that quite a good investment, to be honest with you. So yeah, I'm taking a risk. I'm quite happy that I've come into the crypto world on this one. Cardano is actually, I haven't mentioned it, but it's actually green. So it's not so polluting, or it's more eco-friendly, should we say, in terms of the way it's being mined. Okay, so that's important consideration to make as well. So guys, let me know what you think. Are you into Cardano? Have you invested in Cardano? I will probably invest in more the two famous ones, which is Ethereum and Bitcoin. But as I mentioned, I will wait for prices to drop, get the dip, and probably buy in at a more appropriate level. Again, using this technical analysis, which I'll be doing probably on another video. So that's a little bit more diversify my portfolio. I never talk about cryptocurrency, I haven't done until now, but I'm just giving you my point of view. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, guys. Give me a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe, because that really helps my channel. Guys, thank you for watching, and speak to you soon. Take care now. Bye bye.